In his extensive breakdown, we'll peel back the covers on the Fujifilm X-T6, exploring its design, sensor innovations, hybrid video functionality, autofocus prowess, and overall place in today's mirrorless camera landscape. Whether you're a passionate photographer, filmmaker, or hybrid content creator, this content is packed with insightful analysis, new keywords for traction, and fresh angles. No fluff, just pure value. Retro aesthetic meets modern ergonomics, timeless design. Enhanced grip. The X-T6 continues Fujifilm's iconic retro look with precision-engineered magnesium alloy construction. New for this iteration, a more prominent, contoured grip that delivers superior handling, especially with larger telephoto lenses or when shooting handheld in dynamic environments. Analog controls, digital refinement, vintage-style dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation remain, but now with enhanced tactile feedback. The buttons are more responsive and feedback-rich, responding to input with satisfying clicks. Ergonomics meets analog charm, weather toughness and slim profile retaining full weather sealing against dust, frost, and moisture. The camera body is slightly slimmer than its predecessor, thanks to internal layout refinements, making it easier to carry and still tough enough for demanding fieldwork. Point 2. Next-gen sensor and processor combo. Stacked X-Strands CMOS boost. The X-T6 retains a 40.2 MP X-Strands CMOS sensor, but now with a stacked architecture and optimized circuitry. Expect ultra-fast readout speeds, minimized rolling shutter, and improved buffering during burst shooting and video capture. Dynamic range and low light gains engineered to expand dynamic range and reduce high ISO noise. The updated processor enhances the sensor's traits, producing richer shadows, cleaner highlights, and more nuanced tonality across all lighting conditions. Color science evolution. A new X-Cinematic color profile debuts, extending Fujifilm's acclaimed color science with richer skin tones, punchier but natural contrast, and refined highlight handling, ideal for filmmakers seeking vibrant yet authentic color grading workflows. Accelerated autofocus and AI subject tracking. AI-driven AF engine. The X-T6 adopts Fujifilm's most advanced autofocus, powered by AI-enhanced subject detection. It excels at recognizing faces, eyes, animals, and rapidly moving subjects, dramatically improving tracking performance for wildlife, sports, and fast action. More phase detect points. The phase detection point matrix has expanded by approximately 30%, enabling more precise autofocus coverage and better response when composing off-center or using wide-angle lenses. Even faster burst capability with the speedier processor and sensor combo. Sequential shooting now reaches into the teens per second, ideal for influencers capturing candids and journalists needing split-second responsiveness. Video headliners, hybrid workflow mastery. 4K 120p plus raw recording potential. Expect to see native 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second, with internal raw capture capabilities. These enhancements cater specifically to TikTokers, YouTubers, and indie filmmakers. Craving slow-motion flexibility and high-end color grading options. ProRes internal option and HEVC support. Rumors point toward internal Apple ProRes recording, along with the latest HEVC codecs. Higher bit rates mean richer detail and easier post-production. This also suggests internal oversampling to reduce moire and enhance sharpness. Advanced thermal management. A redesigned cooling system enables extended continuous shooting and longer 6K per 4K recording sessions, addressing the X-T5's tendency to limit long takes, a win for documentary creators and event videographers. Electronic viewfinder and articulating screen upgrades. Faster, smoother EVF. The EVF now delivers 5.76 million resolution and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, ideal for tracking motion, panning smoothly during prowling wildlife shots, or filming on a gimbal. Fully articulating TFT display. The rear LCD is now fully vari-angle, offering 180-degree rotation for vloggers, overhead shots, and stable self-filming setups. Fujifilm has opted to retain durable hinges, not revert to a three-way tilt, which enhances flexibility without compromising ruggedness. 5-stop IBIS and power optimization. Enhanced in-body stabilization. The IBIS system now delivers up to 7 stops of compensation, making handheld video smoother and still shooting sharper, especially with telephotos or jump cuts. Battery efficiency and endurance. The same NPW235 battery continues to power the X-T6, but intelligent software optimization now yields around 30% more shots per charge, ideal for travel vloggers and weddings. Modernized connectivity and streaming features. High-speed USB-C and webcam utility with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 support. Both charging and fast data transfer are seamless. The X-T6 also includes built-in webcam functionality, streaming in desktop 4K quality. With zero need for tethering software, dual UHS-2 slots plus cloud push dual card slots now include faster buffer clearance and UHS-2/UHSI combo compatibility. Streaming creators will appreciate one-touch FTP/cloud upload via the revamped Wi-Fi/Bluetooth interface, remote control and tether stability. Upgraded Fujifilm camera remote app connection reduces latency while photographing tethered, useful for product photography, live sports events, and hybrid office/live stream sessions where real-time feedback is critical. Pricing strategy and launch timeline. Introductory MSRP, expected around $1,699, body only, matching the X-T5's launch price, fall 2025 launch window. Anticipated official announcement at Fujifilm's annual X Summit in Q4, likely October. With shipping beginning in November-December, perfect timing for holiday season stock and year-end content pushes. Fujifilm's X-T6 appears to be a meaningful evolutionary jump rather than a simple tweak. Designers have retained the brand's heritage while boldly pushing sensor, video, and autofocus advancements suited for today's creator economy. Final thoughts and creator impact. This camera is positioned squarely at the center of current photo-video hybrid trends. If you're a travel vlogger, wedding photojournalist, YouTuber, or creative professional whose work demands both visual excellence and efficiency, this might be the most compelling APS-C hybrid yet. The combination of faster autofocus, expanded video capabilities, higher EVF refresh rate, and modern connectivity places the X-T6 firmly in competition with Sony's cropped frame Alpha systems and Canon's R-series hybrids.